as you'll see here. Very easy that way. And now you've got your short pencils, whichever model Bitchin Scribe tool you decide to get. Check this out. I think this is pretty cool. See this kit here? Let me show you why this is not your ordinary container. So first, let me show you the standard scribe tool. So this is the Bitchin Scribe Tool Model X. Holds a specific brand of pencil. It holds a short pencil in one of 10 different channels, giving you 20 different scribe distances, but that'll be explained in another video. Long story short, we need to have short pencils for this scribe tool. You see these slots, and you see how this slides open, okay? And it goes back on very easily. And it goes a little tighter as it comes near the end. The way it's designed is so that it's a tight fit more towards the end of the travel, which is really cool. Here's the Model T Bitchin Scribe tool. And what that means is that it uses a Ticonderoga pencil. In order to cut this pencil in the field, you're gonna have to use a jigsaw or a hacksaw or something like that. You first need to sharpen the end. So once you've got your pencil sharpened, you could put that at 2 inches, put it in the center slot. You would slide this right on top, okay? And use a jigsaw and just cut just a little past the piece there. Really easy to cut your pencil nice and short, just like that. 2-inch pencil, put it in your Model T and have your scribe tool ready to go. You can also put it in there to cut the eraser off, push it into where you want it. See, what happens is it's very stable, because it's pushing the leverage, is forcing it up against the ceiling of this. And then sharpen the end on it. So let's say you wanted this pencil to barely stick out because you had a very tight spot under a windowsill or something. Hold your fingers there in the slot, put this over there, and you can even use a hacksaw if that's all you got. See that? So there you go. You can even make it shorter than that if you needed to. This top slot fits the USA Gold. The center one is the Model T. That's why it says T. It fits the Ticonderoga pencil. And this last slot fits the X model, Statler pencils, Medici, and a couple of other brands. And this slides over. I think a metal blade is probably the best. Very easy that way. And now you've got your short pencils, whichever model Bitchin Scribe tool you decide to get. I love these little things. So I think this is a pretty clever design myself. And get one of these when you pick up your Bitchin Scribe tool and make your life a little easier. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.